Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. Today's recipe is rice Sooji Upma. For this recipe, I have taken the roasted Sooji. The raw rice Sooji which I have used, I have shown it in my earlier videos how to roast it. To begin with the recipe, in the pan, pour in some oil, mustard. When it crackles, I'm going to add in Urad dal and Channa dal. With this, I'm adding the chilies, then some red chilies, curry leaves. To this, I'm going to add in 3 cups of water. When the water is boiling, I'm going to add in salt. This is another ingredient for this which is different from the usual ones. Jaggery, freshly grated coconut, I'm going to add in the rice Sooji. I'll simmer it and cover the lid and allow it to cook. Now this is cooked well. I'm going to add in finely chopped coriander, with this, I'm going to serve some lemon pickle or any tangy pickle will go very well with this. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.